Right, this is my Lamborghini Gallado 560-4 and there's the trunk, of course, because it's mid-engined. Pretty nice bonnet space as well, as you can see. And at the back is where the V10 is. Just bring the camera around. Nice lovely V10 engine. I'm not using this camera because I can't get the finger right. Lovely V10. And there's a sound system in my Evo 10, not Evo 10, Evo 8. With all the sound kit.
When you set up the needle.
And my Evo M3's music kit. Lovely sound system. There's my BMW's engine, the V8. And if we come over here, it's the Evo's 2-litre turbocharged engine. And if we come over here, of course, the back Lamborghini's trunk. They're all very good cars. Bye bye.